What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make this crispy salmon, caramelized potatoes, roasted Brussels sprouts that came out the iconic Cosori Air Fryer, guys. Guess what, family? Cosori just sent me a brand new air fryer, guys. Now we're gonna put this baby to the test and see what it's gonna do. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's get it. Wow, this is crazy, guys. Whoa, look at this. Family, this thing came pretty wrapped up. So this is the inside of the tray. So we have that. Now we're gonna open this baby up. Guys, this thing came, like, you can't tell me you're not getting you pay for what you're getting, guys. Look at this. This is the first air fryer that I ever received that came with its own bag. So you could literally carry this with you. All you gotta do is wash it. All right, so let's go in and grab this beautiful bag and get the Cosori. Look at that. This thing is beautiful, a work of art. Wow. All right, guys, this came taped up, and I think that's a good thing. Okay, family, so let's open this basket, and we're gonna see what it looks like. And we got the crisper plate that we're gonna put inside, and we're gonna wash this. But before we do that, let me show you guys inside. And it comes with this paper, and wow, guys, it looks amazing. This is all stainless steel, and it is also PFAS free. So ceramic inside, stainless steel. This is actually, you know how you guys always say, hey Abdul, you're not supposed to use the air fryer. Well, guess what? This is PFAS free, guys. And this basket is ceramic. All right, guys. So this is one of the best things you want to use. And this is stainless steel, guys. And this also comes with a 5-year warranty. So guys, if you are interested, hit the link below so you could get your Cosori to your doorsteps today. Okay, family, so I have a ripe papaya. I already removed the seeds. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to create the best salmon out of this Cosori Air Fryer. Papaya. All right, family. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna begin to slice it so it can resemble salmon. All right, family. So you want to leave the skin on it because the skin is gonna protect it, just like the skin protects the salmon. All right, so we're gonna leave the skin on and we're gonna slice. Okay, family, so to get the illusion, we already got the papaya sliced on the side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice it just like this. So this is gonna be the salmon slice right here. So we're gonna slice it just like this, just like that, family. All right, we're gonna do another piece just like that, and we're gonna do another piece. Make it white enough so it can look like the salmon. And just like that, guys. So these are gonna be the 3 papaya slices that we're going to use to mimic the salmon. So obviously you guys know I am Vegan Kingzz and I veganize meals, guys. So I'm teaching you what I am doing step by step. All right, family. So because this has, remember, this is we're trying to mimic salmon, right? A salmon don't look like this, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to come close as we can to make it thin as we can. And we're going to just slice the bottom of the papaya off. And then it's going to look like so. All right, which will give it the resemblance of a salmon. All right, family. So family, as I walk you through this tutorial, I'm showing you guys how I turned this papaya into the salmon, how I got that shape. If you guys were wondering, I'm gonna start to make a lot of these videos because I notice a lot of people are trying to go vegan or just have meatless Mondays and just try something new. Let me tell you something. This was awesome. I ended up just cutting it down to make it create salmon. When I used to make salmon, I remember these were the cuts that I used to use. So here it is. Okay, family. So we already have our salmon or our papaya sliced up. And this is what it looks like to resemble our salmon. All right, family. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab our seasoning, right? And we're going to just put it into this. We're going to mix it. It's basically Himalayan salt, Old Bay, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and some seaweed, guys, that I'm using. So what I'm going to do is just put some of it into this glass bowl. All right, guys. And then I'm going to add some avocado oil into that, right? And then I'm also going to put some coconut aminos, this is a soy-free meal, guys. So we're going to put some of that in there. All right, guys. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the papaya and we're going to just lay it in there. And we're just going to make sure this thing gets coated. We're going to grab another piece. We're going to do the same thing, guys. Make sure it's nice and coated. And we're going to just marinate this and put it away. So then I'm going to get the rest and I'm going to just sprinkle it on. Make sure it gets on everything. Then I'm going to flip it to the other side. And do the same thing on both sides, guys. Then I'm going to add a little bit of my avocado oil on there. Guys, you can't tell me that this don't look like salmon. You guys can't tell me that this don't look like salmon, guys. Look at this. Look how amazing this look, guys. All right, family. So put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for like 30 to 40 minutes and stab it with a fork on both sides so all the juices could go inside. Okay, family. So now we're going to slice our Brussels sprouts in half. They're already washed and ready to cut. All right, family. So I'm going to just cut the ends and then I'm going to slice them in half like so. So when they go in the air fryer, they can crisp up real nice. While the salmon is getting marinated, we're going to make our Brussels sprouts. All right, family. So we're going to go ahead and put some avocado oil in there, guys. All right, now we got a little blend here. We're going to toss that in. Now we're going to mix. Make sure it goes everywhere, guys. And we're going to throw this baby in the air fryer. Alright, family, so we're gonna remove this protective glass. Look at that, so easy to come off. And look at how beautiful that is, guys. We're gonna go ahead and turn that baby on. And the numbers are digital, and you can also use your app to control this Cosori. Look at the beauty. Look at how gorgeous that is. Basket is huge, guys. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our Brussels sprouts in there and see how it goes for about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, you could air fry it, roast, bake, dry, proof, and reheat. So we're gonna go ahead and just bump it up to 15 minutes and keep it at 385, and we're gonna press. Let's go. Okay, family, as you can see, my Brussels sprouts are already seasoned, and I can't wait to use this Cosori iconic air fryer, guys. All right, so look at how tightly that closes, and we're gonna go ahead and turn this baby on. And as you can see, you got the air fryer, the roast, the bake, the dry, the proof, and the reheat, guys. You could proof your breads, you can roast Brussels sprouts, potatoes, you can bake cakes, and if you want to dehydrate any of your vegetables, you can do that as well. So for today, we're gonna remove it from the air fryer. We're just gonna press the roast button real quick, and as you can see, it's already at 400 degrees, and we're gonna drop it to about 15 minutes so that these Brussels sprouts can become nice and golden brown. And we're gonna just press the play button right there so we can start doing this thing. Okay, family, so these Brussels sprouts, right? I know it's gonna be iconic coming out of this Cosori iconic because, guys, this thing is so powerful. It's incredible, guys. Let's take a look and see how the roast menu worked on these Brussels sprouts. Wow, this is amazing. I haven't seen these roast Brussels sprouts look like this before in any other fryer other than the iconic. So definitely a 10 out of 10. Okay, family, so my Brussels sprouts are fresh out of the air fryer, guys. The iconic is killing it, guys. So let's go for a little taste test and let's see how it turns out, guys. I like my Brussels sprouts toasty and roasted and crispy, guys. So let's go for the bite and see how it did. Wow. Whoa. Very crispy, very tender, and you could hear it. 10 out of 10. Okay, family, so now this is the salmon that we had marinating, guys, in the refrigerator. Look at all of that delicious juice, guys. Let me show you guys a little close-up of what it looks like. Look at that, guys. Look at that salmon. All right, family, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the Cosori iconic basket. We're gonna put this baby in there. All right, vegan squad, so if you can spray inside of your air fryer so it doesn't stick, and then I'm gonna just add these in. Okay, guys, so this is the stainless steel Cosori iconic air fryer, guys, and right now we're about to put these delicious papaya salmons into the air fryer, guys. Okay, guys, so I had this on the roast, and let's take a look at what this iconic Cosori stainless steel air fryer has done. All right, guys, let's go. Woo! What? Family, look at this salmon, guys. Look at how delicious this looks. Okay, family, so we back with this iconic Cosori stainless steel air fryer, guys, and look at this delicious salmon, family, made from papaya. Look at this. It's amazing. Let's go in and grab one just to see. Woo! Look at that. Wow. Family, you can't tell me that this don't look like a salmon and this is just a papaya. Crazy. Okay, family, so guess what? The salmon is ready. Now we're gonna make a sauce for our salmon, Brussels sprouts, and I even got some potatoes. All right, so let's go. Okay, family, so now let's go for the bite, guys. This is a vegan salmon made out of a papaya, and we used it in the iconic Cosori Air Fryer. All right, guys, so let's go for the bite. Let's see how this tastes, family. So let's see if this air fryer did its thing. All right, family, so we're going to go for this. Ooh, look at that. Let's slice a piece of that salmon. Oh, my God. Look at that, guys. Look at inside of this. Look at how this looks, guys. Let's go for this bite. Whoa. Packed with flavor. So juicy. Let's try it with some of this Brussels sprouts and the potato. Okay, let's go for the bite. Oh my God, guys, it's perfect. For those that are a bit concerned, this air fryer is PFAC free, guys. It has a ceramic inside. So hit that link and get yours today. It's time for me to go. I'll see you guys in the comments. Peace.